Have you seen my cat?
No, that's a lion.
It is a lion. Have you seen my cat?
It's
What is it? What is it?
a bobcat.
Mm-hmm. Have you seen my cat?
No, that's a bobcat.
Right.
No, that's a mountain tiger.
A mountain tiger. Have you seen my cat?
No, that's a baby jaguar.
Baby jaguar.
No, that's a lemur.
Leopard.
That's a
Nope, that's a panther.
That's a panther.
Good. Have you seen my kitty?
No, that's a panther.
Cheetah.
No, that's a cheetah. No, that's a cheetah.
Cheetah, good job.
No, that's a tiger.
It is a tiger. Is that our kitty? Is that Mr. Fluffy Pants? Oh, where's our other kitty? There's our kitty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh.
The end.
Good reading, buddy.
Dinosaur book.
Okay.